Hello, my name is Anissa here at Hamilton Chevrolet. Today I'll be showing you how to redeem your Chevy points in 7 easy steps. First, you're going to open your web browser and enter the website www.mychevyrewards.com. Once the page loads, log in by entering your email address and password in the spaces provided, then go ahead and click Login. After the home page loads, look for the toolbar on the top of the page and select Redeem Points. You can now see all of the available vouchers. The reason for your visit will determine the voucher you will want to use. Select Learn More and Redeem on the voucher that fits best for your maintenance. Look for the gray drop-down arrow on the page and select the dollar amount you want to redeem. Based on your point balance, you can then select the amount of money you want to use. Once the amount is selected, click on Redeem Now. This is the last step. Your voucher number will be located towards the bottom of the page. You can either print it, take a photo of it, or your cashier can look it up with your email. Bring us your voucher, provide this voucher number to me when you check out, and I will apply it for you. There you have it, 7 easy steps, and you just saved money using your Chevy Rewards.